Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and today we are going to talk about the kitchen cleaning kit. This is our kitchen cleaning cloth, and how I know is the tag on it says kitchen cleaning. All our kits come with a thin glass and polishing cloth, and they come in different colors. Always think of this cloth as your new paper towel. How you'll remember is it's thin like a paper towel. The kitchen cloth has a special feature. See this scrubbing corner? The purpose of the scrubbing corner is to help get burnt on food or stickiness off a surface, especially on your cooktop, inside your microwave, and on your countertops. This is how and where I use my kitchen cleaning cloth with my glass and polishing cloth. I wet the thick cleaning cloth first under my faucet and wipe down my cooktop after I have just cooked breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Next, I dry and polish with the glass and polishing cloth. Look at my cooktop. It looks brand new, no streaks or lint like you would get from using cleaning solutions and paper towels. This same process can be applied to cleaning the inside and outside of your microwave, your kitchen cabinets, your appliances, and lots more. Once everything is clean, I will rinse my cleaning cloth out well and then hang to dry. I don't have to rinse the glass and polishing because I used it to dry the surface, but I do hang it to dry out and have it ready for my next use. This glass and polishing cloth is one you will want to have multiples of. I now use them like I would paper towels, and I just love the clean finish they leave after I have cleaned. When you clean with eCloth and water, your surfaces stay cleaner longer. When you clean with cleaning solutions and paper towels, you'll always have buildup that causes streaks as well as lint from the paper towels. The buildup over time becomes sticky, attracts dust, and never feels clean. The kitchen cleaning cloth and glass and polishing should be washed in the washing machine weekly with regular laundry detergent, no bleach, fabric softener, or dryer sheets. And then it can go in the dryer or be line dried. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below to let us know how you use your kitchen cleaning kit. See you soon.